Here I have XIAOMI Redmi A1 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here on your device. So what you do, you just put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, slightly press it, the slot pops out. So here you have to insert your SD card, and here you have to insert your SIM card. Here is the slot 1 and here is the slot 2. Okay. So then you just insert the slot back in, and as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification that SD card type tap to safely removed, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.